project construction activities. The brown color is project
this
instruments, and below will come the drilling.
Understood.
The project
Thank you.
construction. Okay.
Thanks for the
Your
clarification.
comment should be added into the drilling part.
Yeah. So excavation and piping, civil construction, piping and erection will be there. Piling work we are expecting. Foundation work we are expecting at many places, many locations. Underground installations. So this is very important because this has got confined space and other hazards. E&I, electrical and instrumentation, trenching, cabling, laying, pulling activity will be there. Earthing, installation of cathodic protection, installation of safety equipment, road climbing will be there. I will minimize it so that you understand. Backfilling and compaction will be there. Transportation of major modules is the major activity. Diesel filling, dispensing activity will be there. Module installation, welding, stick, bull, piping and everything will be there. Mechanical work we have considered because this is your lot of mechanical work will be there. Piping, erection work, piping support, valve will be there. E&I cable, probably this is a duplicate, but we'll see. Now this cable pulling only A25 and this one is a duplicate, but I will take one, no problem. Hydro test and pressure test will have. Bijay, do you allow pneumatic test?
No, I don't have. I'm from drilling. I don't have to ask the project team.
Oh, okay, no problem. And purging, flushing, and adverse weather. In drilling, I have taken the most critical activity: rig mobilization to the island, rig movement, rig walking, rig up, down, erection commissioning and dismantling, nipple up, nipple down, Christmas tree, lifting activity, nipple up, nipple down, BOP, lifting activity. Pressure test of BOP is very critical that we must consider. I have put the prohibitions.